Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hardtop gazebos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we've got the Hotil 10x12 hardtop gazebo. This heavy-duty gazebo stands out with its galvanized steel double roof, offering excellent airflow and protection from UV rays. The construction is robust, featuring a reinforced aluminum frame that weighs 258 pounds and incorporates triangular braces for enhanced stability. It's wind-resistant up to 54 miles per hour, making it ideal for challenging weather conditions. The flame-retardant curtains are a major highlight, providing safety and blocking 90% of harmful UV rays. Coupled with 35 grams per square meter netting, the gazebo creates a bug-free and cool environment for gatherings or relaxation. While the spacious 120 square feet area can accommodate up to 12 people, the assembly process requires 2 to 4 people and a few hours, but the included manuals and videos simplify this task. However, the Hotil gazebo's customer rating sits at 2.9 stars due to some concerns about its durability over time. While it's perfect for large gatherings or families, its higher weight and assembly requirements might not suit those looking for a quick and lightweight solution. Overall, this gazebo is a great choice if you prioritize stability and safety, but be prepared for a bit of extra effort during setup. At number 4, we have the Pameic 10x12 wall-mounted gazebo. This unique lean-to pergola design is perfect for maximizing outdoor space. Its durable polycarbonate roof allows natural light to pass through while protecting against harmful UV rays. And its slope design ensures efficient drainage, making it suitable for all seasons. The thickened aluminum poles provide exceptional strength, allowing the gazebo to withstand heavy rain, snow loads, and even coastal storms. Its modern, space-efficient design makes it ideal for installation near walls, pools, or dining areas. The included expansion bolts ensure stability when mounted to walls and floors, giving it a sturdy and reliable feel. Assembly is straightforward thanks to detailed manuals and video tutorials, and the gazebo ships in 2 packages for safe delivery. While its functionality and design are impressive, the Pameic gazebo's customer rating of 4.2 stars highlights some minor concerns, such as its weight capacity for accessories. This gazebo is perfect for users seeking a modern and space-saving solution for small decks or patios, but those needing a freestanding structure might want to consider other options. At number 3, the Kuzbay 11x11 Popup Instant Gazebo offers portability and convenience. This gazebo is lightweight and easy to set up, making it perfect for users who need a quick sunshade solution on the go. With 121 square feet of shade coverage, it accommodates up to 6 people comfortably, and its vented top enhances airflow for a cooler experience. The canopy is made from 150D Oxford fabric with UPF 50+ UV protection, effectively blocking 99% of harmful rays. It also features zippered mesh sidewalls for protection against flying insects, while maintaining good visibility and ventilation. The sturdy powder-coated steel frame ensures durability and rust resistance, making this gazebo suitable for outdoor relaxation, picnics, or small gatherings. While it's portable and user-friendly, the Kuzbay gazebo's 3.9-star rating reflects some concerns about long-term durability and stability in windy conditions. It's best for those who need a lightweight and affordable pop-up gazebo, but it may not be the ideal choice for prolonged outdoor use or extreme weather. Coming in at number 2 is the Galman 10x10 hardtop gazebo, which offers a great balance of durability and functionality. Its polycarbonate roof blocks 99% of UV rays and reduces heat, while the powder-coated aluminum frame ensures rust and corrosion resistance. This gazebo is designed to withstand bad weather, making it a reliable choice for year-round use. The double-layer mesh sidewalls provide excellent ventilation and privacy, with easy-to-slide curtains for added convenience. With a spacious 10 by 10 size, it comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 people, making it perfect for outdoor barbecues, relaxation, or small parties. Setup is straightforward with included manuals and videos, though it may take a few hours. With a customer rating of 4.2 stars, this Gowman gazebo is praised for its sturdy construction and sleek design. However, its weight and assembly time might be a drawback for those looking for a simpler solution. Overall, it's an excellent choice for users who want a durable and stylish gazebo for regular outdoor use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gowman 10 by 12 Hardtop Gazebo, which takes the top spot for its premium features and exceptional build quality. The 6mm polycarbonate roof blocks 99% of harmful UV rays and reduces heat, while the galvanized iron top ensures durability and longevity. This double-top design not only looks stylish, but also adds functionality, with a central hook for hanging lights or fans. The dual-layer sidewalls feature gray polyester fabric and black mesh, offering protection against rain and UV rays while enhancing ventilation and privacy. The spacious 10 by 12 size comfortably accommodates up to 4 people, making it ideal for intimate gatherings or relaxing afternoons. Assembly is relatively simple with detailed guides, though you'll need 2 to 4 people to complete the setup. Rated at 4.7 stars. This Gowman gazebo is a customer favorite for its elegant design, sturdiness, and reliable performance. While it's slightly heavier and pricier than other options, its superior materials and thoughtful features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a high-quality gazebo for their backyard or patio. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.